What's up, guys? Well, we're in Ohio today with Officer Michael Irvin, and he's, drunk. And not only is he drunk, he's drunk on duty. Is this his first rodeo? Seldom is it. So we'll read the description down here. We'll get on with the video and we'll be done. Also, I would like to note, like 90% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and move along. So, Officer Michael Irvin, what is he up to? Body cam shows Walbridge police officer Michael Irvin being questioned after residents reported concerns that he appeared intoxicated while on duty. According to residents, Irvin was staggering, slurring his speech, standing in the middle of the road after responding to a call about an open door. Body camera footage captured officers and medics evaluating Irvin's condition on August 23, 2025. Walbridge Mayor Ed told the news that Irvin's blood alcohol level measured .168, more than twice the legal limit to drive. Confirmed Irvin was fired immediately after the incident and is now facing multiple charges, including disorderly conduct, obstructing official business, OVI, operating a vehicle impaired, having a weapon while intoxicated. This comes as a shock to nobody. This is not the first time Irvin has been under scrutiny. The News Investigates previously reported in the Law Enforcement Shuffle series on how officers with troubled records can move between departments. Records show that Irvin resigned from the Toledo Police Department in 2022 while under internal investigation following multiple alcohol-related incidents. And that is bullshit. They have got to stop that. They'll say, hey, he resigned. We don't have jurisdiction over him. Nothing we can do. They have got to stop that. Like I said, I keep saying it. Next time you see him, he will have killed someone, and I'm betting he'll pop up somewhere else. Internal Affairs files reviewed by the news show 2 prior alcohol-related accidents while off-duty, 2017-2019, a 2021 incident in which his truck was struck by a train. A blood test recorded his blood alcohol content at .32. Struck by a train. Now, last time I checked, trains didn't just like veer off the track and come and hit you. You had to be on that track. I wonder if he was sleeping. Sustained internal findings of conduct unbecoming an officer, willful violation, and habitual drunkenness. He resigned from the Toledo Police Department one day before an appeal hearing with the chief. Walbridge Mayor told the news he was unaware of Irvin's history with Toledo when he was hired in 2023, saying he relied on the department's background check. He said this case has prompted him to reevaluate the village's hiring practices. You think so? And in this video, you see body cam footage of the August 23rd call. You can see the officers and the medics discussing what they're noticing about Irvin and the alcohol they seem to smell. When they asked Irvin for a comment, his comment was no comment. Yes, his background. These departments are going to have to start doing their own shit. They won't, though. That way they can hold zero liability. So anyway, Irvin, here we are.
So here's the thing. You think you may be drinking?
All right. So I'm sorry. We got him. Stop. So we just need the medics out here, please. All right. Thank you.
Chief's on his way in.
Right.
Check it out. So as you were walking up, you were staggering a little bit. Huh? Okay. Alright.
Yeah, we got called over here. They said you're stumbling, slurring your speech, so our sergeant wants the medics to come check you out. That's what we're waiting on right now.
Also, is that click in that car? If it is, might want to, I don't know, turn it off.
No. It's obviously, either you're having a medical issue or possibly...
They know what's going on. You mean to tell me they cannot smell alcohol on him? Please stop.
Drinking. And either way, you can't be driving a car right now, right? You know that.
What's going on? intoxicated, so we're making sure it's not if it's intoxication or it's a medical issue.
Okay.
He said he has a leg injury, so
Okay.
He has a leg injury. What's that got to do with his talking and the smell of alcohol? If he's got a leg injury, why is he, I don't know, on duty?
Okay.
Of course he's going to say he has a leg injury. He don't want to do the Phil sobriety test.
Okay.
What they got was blood clots.
So we were in a call and dispatcher this morning. These homeowners requested their house to be checked because there was some sort of an open door. He came out. I guess he was stumbling, slurring his speech. Was in the house for 20 minutes. Came out, stood in the middle of the road, just staring at him. So they called dispatch back and said, "I think he's intoxicated." So we flew over here. He said he has a leg injury. That's what he told us.
My first contact with him, I could
You could smell the
alcohol.
booze, yeah.
Okay, it's pretty strong. You guys don't have a PBT on him, do you?
Northwood is supposedly now. They might have one, but yeah, you can smell the booze. And then I was on the phone with Schmidlin because I called him. I'm like, "Hey, let me know about this." He was, I don't know what you two were talking about, but he darted back off and got in the car, and we had to stop him from pulling
Just
up.
telling me he checked the house, everything's okay, and then
So-
got in the car, so. You guys have body cams, right?
Correct.
Because I don't have anything on.
Yeah, yeah,
Can we go talk to the homeowners?
We're rolling, and we talked to the homeowners, and that's what they told. That's the first thing they told us when we got here. Because he was talking to the wife, we talked to the husband. So,
What's going on, boss? Hey, you got a question? You don't have PBTs, do you?
What's that?
Do you have any PBTs?
We might have one at the station.
At the station, portable breath test at the station. Also, you know what else they don't have? They don't have no fucking standards here, and they don't have no damn razors.
I don't have one on me.
Don't have one on me. They're made to go right with you in the car. Trust and believe. If it was you they stopped, they would have one.
Can you say it again, what you just told me? Because I don't have a body cam.
No, you're fine. But he's not. I think he's just slow in his talking, which is not. And his pupils are dilated. We're getting the rest of his vitals. He doesn't want to go to the hospital. He just said that his calf is sore. But just the way he's responding, he's definitely slower than normal. This is not. So we're getting the rest of his vitals.
Okay.
He's answering everything appropriately for us.
Okay.
So I mean, I can't force him to go, but
They're both in Phoenix Valley.
something's
Yeah.
So
All right.
she's getting blood sugar.
Listen, don't worry about it, man. I just, when I came home, my door was open, dude. I didn't know if they were people in my house or if they robbed my truck, and I never wanted to cause any problems. Don't worry about it, man. It's not you. I'm not you.
Were you guys called down to handle for conflict of interest reasons?
we were called, and then they said you guys were en route too. So
Yeah, we were told to come back you guys up.
We're here for moral support.
but we were on another call when they started telling us.
Is
to
Wallbridge
call in.
handling their own issue here? Yeah, okay. We're just here for... Got it.
Yeah, because I was on a call running plates, and they're telling us to call in urgently. So he had called.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they just wanted multiple agencies here just in case. So there's not just one set of eyes on it.
Is OSP still?
Seems like somebody might have a breath test that he could take. They're stalling.
It said his eyes were dilated.
Yeah, you could smell the booze on him.
Can you?
And he's not making direct contact with us when he's
Yeah, you can
talking.
tell. Yeah.
Because I think he's just trying to.
I'm gonna go at... You guys didn't have a PBT on you. I'm gonna assume. Anyone know if... I'm assuming he's called Ken.
Yeah. Ken and Hummer can call.
Okay. Well, they're talking quick.
The one time I got like he switched how he was talking and wasn't saying a whole lot. Blood sugar's 102, so
Yeah, good or bad?
yeah, that's good. That's so it's not upward.
Check them out. Sounds like vitals are all good. You can smell the things on him. Eyes are dilated. Northwood's here. Bob Miller's here.
Yes, they keep giving every single indicator that he's intoxicated. Only thing they're not doing is proving it. I mean, it's not admissible in court, but it's an idea of where they're at. Also, why wouldn't they have taken him to the police department by now and done an intoxilizer? Pretty sure they have one of them.
I got Scott to get the caller's information so we can do our report on this, but everyone's here, so it's not looking good though. I'm assuming that's what Bob said. So, and I told him Hummer has been notified too. So I don't know if he's coming out or what. But, yeah.
She has the paper for him because he doesn't want to go to the hospital. He goes back with that, so and I'll have everything documented in our hearing.
He doesn't want to go to the hospital. Nobody's done a breathalyzer on him. I'm not sure why we're not drawing up a warrant for some blood.
We good?
I was gonna say we had everything.
Okay. All right.
You guys are done with us right now.
All right, Mike, we're going back to the station, all right? Hop in the passenger seat.
Anybody paying attention to how he was walking? Clearly he's drunk.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, I'll follow you.
Bob's got him driving the cruiser back and taking him back to the station. Alright.
And I follow him up to the PD and be right back.
Okay, okay. Hummer said we're good to get out of here for Schmidlin. Since Bob's got control of him now.
Doesn't do anything stupid at the station.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. If this would have been anyone else, they would have been ripped out of the car and handcuffed. Yes, half of the police department there to handle a simple DUI. Tons of phone calls to everyone to see how they can handle this. Paramedics called. Is this the way a citizen's DUI investigation would be handled? No, of course not. This makes the whole department look bad. Why can't they just do their jobs and show the public that they really care about upholding the law and public safety? Because they don't. If the homeowners had not witnessed this, they would have covered it up. Yes, how can you have a leg injury and be on full duty as an officer? Sound like it's way past time for a tune-up on the cruiser. Car's gonna blow up. How does he keep getting hired? How does he keep getting hired to another police force? Yes, how does? Because they don't care. They care zero. They don't care about anybody but themselves. And this is just more proof of it. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like, I don't know, 90% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I am out.